Welcome. In this video, I'll guide you through the process of installing, setting up, and customizing the Daily Tarot widget under the Tarot 1 card category using the Divine Astro plugin on your WordPress website. With this widget, your users can receive daily tarot card readings, providing them with insights and guidance for their day. Let's get started. The first step is installing the Divine Astro plugin. Log into your WordPress dashboard and go to the Plugins section. Click on Add New, then type Divine Astro in the search bar. Once you find it, click Install Now, and after it's installed, click Activate. Once activated, you'll notice a new menu item labeled Divine Astro in your dashboard. That's all it takes to install the plugin. Now, let's activate and authenticate it so we can use the widget. To activate the plugin and access the Daily Tarot widget, you'll need an API key from Divine API. If you're a new user, sign up for a 7-day free trial or log into your existing account. Inside your Divine API dashboard, go to the API key section and copy your key. Now, return to WordPress, click on Divine Astro, then open the Authenticate tab. Paste your API key into the provided field and click Save. Next, you need to authorize your website. Copy your website URL from WordPress and then go to the Website Authorization section in your Divine API dashboard. Enter your website URL and click Save to authorize it. Now, go back to your WordPress dashboard. Refresh the page once and you will see your site is authorized with a green badge. Once your website is authorized, the widget will be fully functional. Without this step, it won't work, so make sure you complete the authorization process. Now that the plugin is set up, let's embed the Daily Tarot widget on your website. In your WordPress dashboard, go to Divine Astro, then click on Tarot 1 card and select Daily Tarot. Here you'll find the shortcode for the Daily Tarot widget. If no shortcode is available, click Create New Shortcode to generate one. This will redirect you to Divine API. Save your settings, return to WordPress, refresh the page once, and you will see your settings appear with a shortcode. Copy the shortcode and click on Pages, then add New Page. Paste the shortcode into the WordPress editor, whether you are using the block editor or the classic editor. Alternatively, you can open any desired page or post and paste the shortcode where needed. Finally, click Save or Publish to apply the changes. Once embedded, the widget will display daily tarot card readings for your users. You can click on the View page to check how it looks. Now, let's customize the widget so it matches your website's design and style. To customize the Daily Tarot widget, click the Customize button next to the shortcode you want to modify. If you're logged into the Divine API dashboard, it will take you directly to the customization panel. Otherwise, you'll be prompted to log in first. Inside the panel, you can adjust settings such as colors, fonts, and layout options to ensure the widget blends seamlessly with your website's theme. For a step-by-step guide on customizing the Daily Tarot widget, check out our dedicated tutorial linked in the video description. Once you've finished customizing, save your changes. These customizations help the plugin match your website's theme and provide a personalized experience for your visitors. If you create multiple shortcodes, you can easily manage them by tracking each one with its unique ID. You can assign specific shortcodes to different pages to offer a customized experience. This flexibility lets you tailor the plugin to different sections of your site, delivering more relevant content to your users. And that's it. You've successfully installed, set up, and customized the Daily Tarot widget using the Divine Astro WordPress plugin. Your visitors can now receive daily tarot card readings directly from your website. If you have any questions or need assistance, our support team is available via live chat or email at admin@divineapi.com. Thanks for watching and happy customizing.